bumpy service road. Of course you gotta take the service road. I do love this little road. It's great for stress testing. Power!
Yeah, this is the first time I record video on this thing.
Oh, you've never recorded video on that camera?
On this camera, no. Well, I bought it recently.
Fair enough.
I had an older one that I did use a few times. Holy shit.
There it is. I do love my cassette player. It makes me want to have a cassette collection. Now we are at the middle. Last time I drove this car, it stayed at the middle.
The needle's holding.
Yes, it is.
Oh, at this rate, we're gonna have to wait for them other sheets.
No, they're right behind us.
Oh, they are?
Yeah. They're the Crown Vic.
No, they are, right there. That would be funny if they come, they stop by and say, hey, there were parts falling apart and falling off in the car.
Yeah, probably. Let's be realistic.
There it is. The sheets.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
I love having these sheets right here. Sorry about that.
That's all right.
Oh, there's a line for the air.
That's what you do. Oh, you wanted to get in the car wash?
No.
Oh.
I just want to get in line for the free air.
Ah.
Air.
Wiring. I got the wiring harness all looped around the dome light. It works.
It works.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Super comfortable back here.
Yeah. Luxury.
Plenty of space for a kid.
I'm gonna check the cooling level. I'm just curious. Looked at the tire pressure.
I think
pressure 638.
Oh, it should say it on the door jamb.
I looked, it didn't have it.
It doesn't? It should be on this side, maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah, we'll check.
Be in here.
All right, our turn.
Don't let anyone tell you that underinflation or overinflation is all right. If your tires don't have enough air, you can get the following. Okay. So, you got it? Not the most ergonomical one.
Well, I'm not the most economical. No.
Yeah, no.
Not here either.
We're at 033.
Well, I'm not surprised if it's like missing.
That's 27 in this one.
Yeah. Great. Oh, this light is not coming on.
What?
This one. The beat up one.
That's okay.
That was at 27. Yeah. Oh, I guess I did error then.
That's what I said.
Because it was definitely single digits. Get the 4 for 4. Fries, chicken nuggets, burger, and drink all for $4. So you should
How many corners does it take to fill a tire?
Off of that.
Oh, I'm not here to help. I'm just watching.
Oh yeah. Especially when they would let you get a frosty glass place. So. It didn't overheat yet.
No.
That's good. It doesn't have a pile of coolant under it that isn't probably from other cars over here.
This one is the lowest at 23.
There's all sorts of liquids that were here before.
Okay, I was gonna say. Well, I know there's no way the air conditioning.
I think it does.
It does.
Yeah, air conditioning works.
What is running out there? That just looks like.
Oh, I had the AC on for a second. It could just be spare coolant.
Nice.
Alright, time to stress that.
16 East. See you later.
Let's get back in. Where did we say that we were going after this?
We are going on a little highway loop and then some
Okay.
hilly back roads.
All right.
And
Stress
that'll do it.
testing.
Stress testing. Yes, sir. What's better than this? 2 American boats on the open road. I'm taking off my sandals.
Oh, it's the fastest that a boat can
Driving
go.
with my socks.
Yeah. What's the fastest that a boat can go?
I don't know.
75 on the highway.
Yeah.
Got a Pennsylvania driver here in front of us.
Yeah, no kidding.
What a perfect day.
Speed and power! That was the 60 and it's still holding steady right in the middle.
Yep.
It's not going to be a comfy ride because I'm going to be occasionally mashing the gas pedal just to see what happens. But it looks like it's laser locked in.
Yep.
If this fixes the Malibu, I'm going to be a happy guy. And what's funny is it's a thing that could have fixed it all along
Yeah.
that we just didn't do on the side of the mountain because
Because you didn't have a thermostat
we
with
didn't have,
you?
well, we had the thermostat, but we didn't think about putting it back in once we got it out.
Ah, right. Oh, it got you through.
We made a friend.
Yeah. That's an interesting color scheme.
It is. It's like not even pearlescent. It's just kind of half purple.
Yeah. It's like they ran out of one color, so they mixed it in. Still holding. Nice.
It is.
Actually, what are those 2 holes in there for?
So the fuel ladle flipped over all the way around. So we used a screwdriver to flip it right over again. Yeah, it was silly. I'm not nice to this car.
Well, I think this is the nicest that you have treated it so far. In
Yeah,
your
the
ownership.
mechanical work was very nice. Are we, is it, I don't know. I think it's...
Well, that's just teasing it, honestly.
It's like...
You treat it nicely when you're working on it to fix it, and only to send it back to the dirt, to the pits.
Yeah, that sounds about right. It's not even like anyone else around us can really hear it. I'm sure
Oh,
they
there it is, the Waffle House.
Yes! A perfect car for the perfect restaurant. There's a police station somewhere close to here.
Oh, you want to be pulled over?
Actually, it's where I went to, so when you buy a car in West Virginia, if you have a signed title and insurance, you can drive it for 48 hours anywhere.
Oh, okay.
And you can get one of those like temporary like stickers. You pay $10, but you have to go to a police thermostat station to do it.
Okay.
I only learned this after we got pulled over in Malibu 1 when we drove it home that night. Because we had assigned title and insurance, and the officer said, you know, if you just done, oh, side truck.
Yep, there it is.
What's that doing here?
Somebody should bring one to Raleigh, to the Raleigh.
Uppercross, that would be
The
fun.
Uppercross, yeah.
If only we had an Oppo. Well,
just to
actually, I
send
think
it.
it's a good thing we don't have an Oppo that's crazy enough to buy one.
Yeah.
Oppos have taste.
Yeah.
Case in point.
Case. Still in the middle.
Yeah, it's just chilling.
Nice.
Now, granted, the last time we did this is where it sat the entire time until I decided to go up my service road and back down my driveway. Because I think...
that probably just moved the one bubble.
Yeah. Something happened, and I was like, okay, that's... And then it rose up to 2 almost immediately and stayed there.
Yeah, that's gotta be it. That was a bubble that finally reached the temperature probe.
Oh no, we
they
can't
gotta-
stress test the car if the truck's going slow.
Yard sale.
Kind of. We have a lot of, you know, panhandlers and the panhandle.
The handlers and the handle. Hey, there's Martins.
Martins in Martinsburg? No way.
Yeah, too bad you don't have a trailer to hitch onto this.
A colleague, a trailer to hitch onto this?
Yeah.
What would we tow? Oh, to make
Yeah,
just
it's
test
a load, yeah.
Yeah, well, we could always tow the Mustang with this just to move it to the back of the house and see how it does.
Or if we had the back seat, cram it full of people.
Yeah. So set and ready. I don't know what this guy's doing. He's just turning it on. I'll take this car to work on Tuesday.
Yeah.
And if I don't make it, then we'll know that it's not actually fixed. That'll be going.
There's only one way to find out. At least you work at a parts shop, right?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore?
I teach people how to drive.
Oh, okay.
Education instructor.
Ah. Not on the Malibu, though.
What?
Not on the Malibu?
No. Well, I have taken my Volvo there, and I've taken my Anchor there. I haven't taken the Volkswagen to show people, which is always funny. I've shown people, like, and students, like, yes, I drive this.
What is this Ernie D's place?
Huh?
Auction Enterprises, okay.
Eddie's.
Yeah, I thought it was
Eddie's
gonna be
junkyard.
like a racetrack or something.
No. I wish I had a junkyard that close. No, this is all part of it, too.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Extra parts for the Malibu, right there.
Yeah, it's still there.
Fantastic. Matt's gonna be
This is
happy.
better than when we bought the car, because the car ran too high
Yeah.
since we've bought it.
Wow.
Like, this car drove all the way to Cincinnati at 2 bars to 3 bars over the middle.
Wow.
And that was all highway and mountains. And then it blew up finally in New York on our way there. And, you know, we threw out the thermostat, water pump, and that just did the trick, it seems.
Imagine what putting the right parts in the right place.
Like, who would have thunk it?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Or is that today?
Navy.
No, it doesn't say.
Vintage guns.
Happy car.
Yeah. Looks great. is it. This is the
Hill
final
climb.
test.
Do a loop, we'll do another loop, we'll see what happens.
Don't need the Acura.
Not moving.
Perfect.
Yeah. Sorry about that, but I think she works.
Yep. Beautiful. Wonder whose car that is.
That's who cars that? I don't know.
I have no idea.